For many Hauppauge homeowners, keeping energy costs under control is an ongoing priority, especially with Long Island's chilly winters, humid summers, and unpredictable seasonal changes. While upgrading insulation or installing a new HVAC system can help, one of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to improve home efficiency is replacing old, worn-out windows. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or showing their age, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient models can make a dramatic difference in comfort, cost savings, and overall home performance. Here's how replacing old windows makes energy savings simple for Hauppauge homeowners. Eliminating drafts for immediate comfort. Drafty windows are one of the most common signs that energy is slipping right through your home. Over time, window frames warp, seals weaken, and glass loses its insulating power, letting cold winter air or warm summer heat seep inside. New energy-efficient windows fix this by using advanced weather stripping to block air leaks, providing multi-pane insulation for superior temperature control, ensuring tighter, more secure sealing around the frame once those drafts are gone. Most homeowners feel a noticeable improvement almost instantly, especially in rooms that were once too cold or too hot. Lower heating and cooling bills month after month. When windows allow outside temperatures to influence your home, your HVAC system must work overtime. This means higher energy consumption and higher monthly bills. Modern replacement windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures thanks to low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect heat, double or triple pane glass that reduces heat transfer, argon or krypton gas fills for added insulation, thermally efficient frames that prevent energy loss for Hauppauge residents who experience both chilly winds and humid summer heat. These features can lead to significant long-term savings. Better protection from Hauppauge's seasonal weather. Old windows often fail to stand up to Long Island's seasonal conditions. Heavy rains, salt in the air, snowstorms, and strong winds can warp wooden frames or corrode metal ones. Replacing old windows gives you more durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. Improved sealing that prevents moisture intrusion. Windows that won't crack, swell, or rot. Better performance during storms and temperature extremes. This added protection keeps your home insulated and prevents damage that could lead to costly repairs. Increased natural light without the heat gain. Energy-efficient windows let in plenty of sunlight without overheating your home. Low E coatings filter out harsh UV rays while allowing bright natural light to flow indoors. Benefits include brighter, more inviting living spaces, less reliance on artificial lighting, reduced fading of furniture and flooring, improved energy efficiency. Even on sunny days, you get a warm, welcoming atmosphere without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Less strain on your HVAC system. An overworked HVAC system doesn't just waste energy, it also shortens the lifespan of your heating and cooling equipment. Old windows force your system to run more frequently to maintain comfortable temperatures. Energy-efficient windows help by reducing temperature fluctuations, keeping indoor climates stable, minimizing the need for constant heating or cooling. This leads to fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your HVAC system, another source of long-term savings. A healthier, more comfortable home. Old windows often suffer from condensation buildup, mold growth, or leaks, all of which impact your home's indoor air quality and comfort. New windows offer better moisture control, stronger seals that prevent mold-friendly environments, cleaner indoor air, a more comfortable atmosphere for your family. This is especially helpful for households with allergies or respiratory concerns. A smart investment with long-term value. Energy-efficient window replacement is one of the highest return home improvements available. In addition to lower energy bills and better comfort, new windows can boost your home's resale value and increase its curb appeal. Final thoughts: replacing old windows is one of the simplest and most effective ways to save energy in your Hauppauge home. With better insulation, superior durability, and modern glass technology, new windows keep your home comfortable no matter the season, and help lower energy costs year after year. It's an investment that pays you back in comfort, savings, and long-term performance.